In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube comment section not showing. Now if you're experiencing this issue, then watch this video to solve the problem. And if you found this guide useful, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tricks and tips. So let's begin. So now the first solution, you need to clear cache on your YouTube application. So now locate your YouTube application, then tap and hold on that app, then select App Info. Now here under App Info, you select Storage and Cache, then you select Clear Cache to clear cache. Now the next step is to reopen your YouTube application. Now you can locate the video that you want to comment. Now in case this doesn't work, you can try the second method. So now for the second method, you need to open your browser that you normally use. So I'll open your Chrome browser. Now here in the search bar, just type in youtube.com. Then you click on enter. So now locate the video that you want to comment and play that video. So while the video is playing, as you can see, you can be able to access the comment section normally as you would on your YouTube application. So now the third solution, you need to open your YouTube application. So after opening your YouTube application, now select the video that you want to comment. Now pause the video. Now click on the full screen icon. So after doing that, you now see the comment section icon here at the bottom. So click on it. And by doing that, you can now comment on that video. So with those few solutions, you can easily fix this problem. So that's for today's video. So if you find this guide useful, kindly consider giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tricks and tips. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you stay safe.